Welcome back to my channel. I'm back with another video. See, I have content finally. Today I'm going to try and fix my broken bronzer. I've seen a lot of YouTube tutorials as to how to do it. I have never done it myself, so I'm going to try and do it in front of the camera and see if it actually works. For this you will need broken palette, eyeshadow palette, bronzer, whatever you have which you want to fix, sanitizer, sanitize your hands because you will be handling the product, and surgical alcohol, which is also readily available at your chemists and pharmaceuticals, and a spatula which you will sanitize before you use it. So let's get to it. Firstly, sanitize your hands. No harm in spray it on the spatula and clean it, sanitize it. Yup, it's done. I'm going to spray the alcohol onto the product. Drown the whole thing with alcohol. Still not enough, I feel. Don't worry, this is going to dry because this is alcohol, so it will evaporate. What's this thing? Yeah, no, maybe. Okay. Are we getting there? Maybe we are. Obviously won't look as fancy as when you bought it, but you can save your product and you don't have to throw it in the dustbin because you can't use it anymore. And we're gonna let this dry and see if it actually works. Can we do like a silly joke? I just posted something on Instagram today on my Instagram stories. By the way, you can follow me on my Instagram account, sonamvaghanimua. Ask me what are my plans for summer.
What are your plans for summer?
Staying alive, ha 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 ha, staying alive. Okay, now everybody wants to stay alive and not catch the virus. Always keep surgical alcohol with you because I think it's one of the best things you can have. You can use it to sanitize. I actually use it to sanitize my kit. You can just spray everything. If it is a cream product or a powder product, not loose powder though. You can sanitize your products and your brushes and your kit, and it's really helpful. So friends, this is the tutorial as to how to fix your product. Please subscribe to my channel and come back for more content, and I'll see you guys soon. Bye. So friends, this was the finished, no, not finished. So friends, this is the So friends, this was the small tube